Horses out, we have Theatrical Kiss. Past the begin, Danarins, and now is Cornati Islands to grab the leader. Cornati Islands, the leader by about 2 lengths. Sibasib in second, Theatrical Kiss in third. Misbehave is racing in fourth, and trailing the group is Gustuko Hapika. Cornati Islands goes on by about 2.5 lengths. Sibasib in second, and in third, Theatrical Kiss. Misbehave is racing in fourth, and Gustuko Hapika still racing in last. And it's still Cornati Islands by about 2 lengths. Sibasib remains in second, trying to get closer now to take second is Theatrical Kiss. Misbehave now trying to get closer in fourth, and Gustuko Hapika. Cornati Island, Theatrical Kiss now on the outside, fighting it out for the leader. Down on the inside is Cornati Islands, and on the outside is Theatrical Kiss. Misbehave is racing in third, and followed by Gustuko Hapika as they come down the last 150. Cornati Islands, and on the outside is Theatrical Kiss. Theatrical Kiss is on the outside, down on the inside is Cornati Islands. Gustuko Hapika in third. It's now number 4, that's Theatrical Kiss, followed by Cornati Island, Gustuko Hapika, and finally Theatrical Kiss. Second close, Gustuko Hapika, Cornati Islands, Misbehave, and number 3, Sibasib.
4-5-2-1, so it was Theatrical Kiss.